In the realm of travel and adventure, most of us might envision picturesque landscapes, bustling cities, or serene beaches. However, for a select group of individuals, the idea of an extraordinary journey transcends the ordinary. They seek a lifestyle where their home travels with them, offering the comforts and opulence that rivals even the most lavish abodes. This is where multi-million-dollar motorhomes come into play. These incredible mobile palaces redefine the concept of travel and luxury. If you've never aspired to live in a trailer, you may want to reconsider because some of the motorhomes out there cost more than the average house or even an entire block of homes. These mobile wonders bring a new dimension to the idea of on-the-go luxury. But such extravagance doesn't come cheap. The crème de la crème of these vehicles can carry a jaw-dropping price tag, with the most expensive coach on the market listed at an eye-watering $3 million. Who are the people fortunate enough to own these magnificent vehicles? While celebrities like Will Smith and Ashton Kutcher often utilize these opulent abodes while on set, it's not just the rich and famous who are the target demographic for RV businesses. Most of these vehicles find homes with successful retired or semi-retired individuals. According to the Marathon Coach Company, baby boomers with the time and means to travel are the key drivers of the luxury motorhome market's growth. Will Smith, one of Hollywood's most beloved actors, possesses an extraordinary motorhome known as the Heat. This $2.5 million, 1,200 square foot mobile home is truly one of a kind. It was designed by Anderson Mobile Estates, a company based in Big Pine Key, Florida. While this model is also used by other actors, including Ashton Kutcher when he's on the set of 2.5 Men, Smith's version has been customized to meet his unique needs. As you step inside, the first floor welcomes you with a lit makeup mirror featuring a built-in television, offices for Smith's assistants, a full-service kitchen, and a $25,000 bathroom with automated windows that turn opaque on command. A futuristic touch is added with Star Trek doors that make a distinct space-age swoosh sound when they open and close. The motorhome's pop-up second floor is nothing short of spectacular. It expands by over 42 inches, revealing automated shades, 3 televisions, and a business lounge. The second floor provides Smith with the ultimate comfort and functionality, making it his home away from home while working on films such as Men in Black 3, Ali, and The Pursuit of Happiness. For those who wish to experience life like a movie star, you can rent the Heat for $9,000 per week. It's a taste of the extraordinary lifestyle that Will Smith enjoys on the road. The $2.2 million Fairfax Edition motorhome is a masterpiece designed by Liberty Coach, a company based in Stuart, Florida. This mobile palace boasts a striking blue, black, white, and silver exterior paint design created by Indiana artist Dean Lukes, renowned for his custom airbrushing on boats and aircraft. Under its sleek exterior, the motorhome boasts a powerhouse, a Volvo D13 engine generating a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower and a whopping 1,750 foot-pounds of torque. This formidable engine, coupled with a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission, promises a smooth and powerful ride. What truly amazed enthusiasts was the heart of this motorhome, the $7,000 worth of Master Volt batteries. The exterior, adorned with a custom paint job costing a staggering $100,000, is a true work of art. Every inch of this motorhome exudes sophistication, down to the undercarriage lights, each costing $500. The exterior also features an intriguing outdoor entertainment center, complete with a 60-inch TV. The kitchen boasts a Miley oven convection oven, a Keurig coffee maker plumbed in for continuous brewing, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator with drawers and an ice maker built below. Entertainment in this luxurious abode is redefined with a state-of-the-art audio-video system. Liberty Coach had partnered with KEF, the oldest speaker manufacturer in the world, to create custom-designed speakers for the living room, bedroom, and entertainment center. These hidden speakers, combined with a surround sound processor, promised an audio experience that was nothing short of breathtaking. Moreover, the motorhome featured 4K UHD TV units from Samsung, ensuring crystal-clear visuals that enhance the entertainment quotient. In terms of functionality, the Liberty Coach left no stone unturned. The motorhome featured an exclusive trademark called the Liberty Eye Link, an interface that seamlessly integrated with iPads, iPhones, or Android devices. This interface not only controlled the audio-video systems, but also extended its reach to all mechanical and electrical aspects of the motorhome. The 2015 triple-slide Biscayne motorhome by Featherlight Coaches, based in Suffolk, Virginia, offers a taste of the good life for $2.3 million. While it may not go as fast as a Ferrari, the company took inspiration from legendary sports cars when upholstering the seats in soft leather. To create a cool, chic beach feel, Featherlight incorporated 2 full awnings and LED patio lights, ensuring your evenings by the beach with friends are nothing short of extraordinary. The kitchen in the Biscayne boasts a dishwasher, 2 burners, a pull-out pantry, and an automatic drawer locking system to keep your food and dishes secure while the home is in motion. Both of the coach's 1.5 bathrooms feature heated floors, mirrored tile, and a surprising amount of storage space. Several large televisions are scattered throughout the home, including a custom stealth TV that's built into the mirrored door of the medicine cabinet. What's more, this RV doesn't look overly extravagant from the outside. You could easily spot one in a Walmart parking lot at 3 a.m. and mistake it for a regular RV. It's only when you notice a little antenna that you'll realize that it's one of the most expensive RVs in the world. If you are liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Imagine owning a 45-foot 4-slide motorhome for $2.3 million. This 2015 vehicle, converted by Millennium Luxury Coaches, a company based in Sanford, Florida, offers a level of craftsmanship that is truly unparalleled. What sets this motorhome apart is its dedication to hand-built interiors. Every cabinet in this coach was meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, adding a touch of artistry to the vehicle's interior. But the luxury doesn't stop there. This motorhome is equipped with a built-in pressure washer, ensuring that your mobile palace remains sparkling clean wherever you go. The interior boasts a modern decor featuring eye-catching metallic wallpaper, fixtures, and overhead mirrors. The brown and cream-colored exterior color scheme continues inside, creating a seamless transition from the outside world to your private sanctuary on wheels. For those with the most discerning taste and an unlimited budget, the Element Palazzo by the Austria-based company Marchi Mobile stands as the epitome of luxury. Priced at an astonishing $3 million, this 40-foot-long double-decker motorhome is a proof of engineering brilliance and extravagant design. The exterior of the Palazzo is a sight to behold. Buyers can choose between a pristine white or a flashy gold exterior, ensuring that your motor mansion makes a statement wherever you go. What truly sets this motorhome apart, however, is its glow-in-the-dark paint. As night falls, your Palazzo will illuminate the darkness, creating a spectacle that's bound to turn heads. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a world of unparalleled luxury. The interior boasts heated floors, a 40-inch television, a wellness bathroom complete with a rainfall shower, a fireplace, and a self-cleaning system. The roof of the Palazzo can expand automatically, creating a rooftop cocktail lounge for entertaining guests under the open sky. These multi-million-dollar motorhomes represent a fusion of cutting-edge technology, artistic craftsmanship, and extravagant design. They cater to a niche market of individuals who demand the very best in life, even on the go. As the luxury motorhome industry continues to evolve, we can only imagine what extraordinary innovations the future holds for these rolling palaces, providing a glimpse into a lifestyle where the journey is as opulent as the destination. Which RV are you buying next? Let us know in the comment section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.